has hit Texas, and what better place to cool off than the water? Skip rock, put your feet under the waterfall, fish, or just put your feet in the water and have a drink. This is the Brushy Creek. We are in Round Rock, Texas. I'm Sabine McCullough, and this is the American Dream. The Brushy Creek stretches approximately 69 miles. It is more than just a creek. It is the lifeblood of the community, rich in natural beauty and also in history. In the 1800s, settlers were drawn to a distinctive round, table-shaped rock in the middle of the creek. This iconic landmark not only gave the city its name, but also served as a pivotal point along the historic Chisholm Trail, guiding cattle drives and stagecoaches through the region. Along the trail, you'll encounter historical markers and remnants of the past, offering glimpses into the lives of early settlers and the evolution of the area. The Brushy Creek Regional Trail offers over 7.75 miles of scenic pathways, weaving through lush landscapes, tranquil parks, and alongside the babbling creek itself. Whether you are hiking, biking, or simply taking a leisurely stroll, the trail provides a perfect escape into nature. Welcome to 4916 Rizana Bend. When entering this home, you will instantly notice the space, the light, the tall ceilings, and the extra tall doors. Follow me in, please. The kitchen is a chef's and entertainer's dream. With a large island, granite countertops, beautiful backsplash. It has soft close cabinets, extra tall and lots of storage space, and of course a 5-burner cooktop. Beautiful large breakfast area, and it's open to the living space. And my favorite part of the house are those sliding glass doors. They open all the way and add to the living and entertainment space. This home is a perfect home for multi-generational living, featuring 6 bedrooms on more than 5,000 square feet. 4 of the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms for added privacy. Built less than 3 years ago by Taylor Morrison, the owners spared no expense, selecting premium structural upgrades, high-end finishes, and thoughtful design elements to create a truly spacious and versatile retreat. With more than 5,000 square feet of living space and multiple living areas on 2 stories, this home is perfect for entertaining or just enjoying the space and life inside and outside. Beneath this bustling overpass lies a hidden world. It is the home to one of the largest urban bat colonies in North America. As the sun dips below the horizon in Round Rock, Texas, a remarkable transformation unfolds. From March through November, as dust settles, approximately 500,000 Mexican free-tailed bats take flight from the crevices of the McNeil Overpass. Every night they come out to eat. Each night they embark on a 6 to 8 hour journey, consuming thousands of pounds of insects, providing natural pest control for the region. Locals and visitors alike gather here to witness this awe-inspiring event. It's a family-friendly experience, free of charge, with first-come, first-served parking. So next time you're on Round Rock, don't miss the chance to witness this nightly marvel, a testament to nature's wonders thriving amidst urban life. Thank you for joining us on our journey through Round Rock nature. I hope you had as much fun as we did, and I look forward to seeing you next time here on
The American Dream!